Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jay. Welcome back to another video. So you guys, in today's video, I feel like I did a good job. But somebody requested a few days ago, they wanted I think a sunflower inspired look or whatever. I'm not sure what it was, but I know it mentioned sunflower. So what I decided to do with this look today, you have like a little red, yellow, and then if you can see, I created, if you can see, like a little sunflower right there. It doesn't show as much. Like I said, I tried really hard in order to make this sunflower, which it took forever. So in this video I will not be talking at all, just because I was really focusing on this sunflower. Literally it doesn't show as much, like I said, but I'm really proud of it. I'm really happy how this look turned out, and I hope you guys like it also. Like I said, I won't be talking during this video, so I'm just saying now. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, leave some comments below, and if you have any other requests on me doing a makeup look, please just leave below the comments. I will be looking into it. But yeah, you guys, I had really fun doing this look. Obviously whatever I showed on camera, I will be putting it below the description box like always. But anyways, yeah you guys, so I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.
I'm hoping what I said could make you change your mind, though it doesn't really matter when my hands are tied. I'm trying to walk across the bridges that I've burned. My only way to you is gone, the tide has turned. So give me a light, show me what I need. I know I'm blind, but I hear symphonies of your heartbeat. Trapped inside, I forgot to look beyond. I see the other side. So give me a light, show me what I need. I know I'm blind, but I hear symphonies of your heartbeat. Now that's an understatement. To walk alone, I guess it's my repayment. Please give me a light, show me what I need. I know I'm blind, but I hear symphonies of your heartbeat. hands are tied. I'm trying to walk across the bridges that I've burned. My only way to you is gone, the tide has turned. So give me a light, show me what I need. I know I'm blind, but I hear symphonies of your heartbeat. Trapped inside, I forgot to look beyond. I see the other side. So give me a light, show me what I need. I know I'm blind, but I hear symphonies of your heartbeat. Now that's an understatement. To walk alone, I guess it's my repayment. Please give me a light, show me what I need. I know I'm blind, but I hear symphonies of your I'm hoping what I said could make you change your mind. Though it doesn't really matter when my hands are tied. I'm trying to walk across the bridges that I've burned. My only way to you is gone, the tide has turned. So give me a light, show me what I need. I know I'm blind, but I hear symphonies of your heartbeat. Like an astronaut, I was in the corner of my mind, got trapped inside. I forgot to look beyond. I see the other side. So give me a light, show me what I need. I know I'm blind, but I hear symphonies of your heartbeat. wrong, now that's an understatement. To walk alone, I guess it's my repayment. Please give me a light, show me what I need. I know I'm blind, but I hear symphonies of your